In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a free website using WordPress. Now, if you're a complete beginner and you've never built a website before or you've never heard of WordPress before, then don't worry at all, because what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to cover everything from start to finish. So all you need to do is watch the video and apply the steps. So this is what the completed website is going to look like. And the first thing you'll notice is this logo right here. Now, this logo is part of a free website logo kit we're giving away at the moment on our website. So if you want to grab this website logo, and you get some others there too, then you can grab that on websitewizard.tv. So what you'll see on this homepage is we've got a large graphic right here, and you can customize that to suit your needs. And then we've got a subheading here and some content here, and then another heading here, and then we've got these 4 featured areas right here. Now, you can use these to briefly discuss your services, for example, or if this is a personal website, then you might want to use this to discuss your skills. So you can completely customize this website to suit your needs. So if we scroll down, we've got a search box right here, and we've got the option to add some more text, testimonial here, and we've got some social icons down here so you can link back to your social accounts. Now, in the navigation bar right here, we've got an about page, and you can discuss your website here, or if this is about your personal skills, then you can talk about yourself here. And what we've got also is a contact page right here. And this is going to have a contact form, so if anyone wants to contact you directly from your website, all they need to do is complete this contact form with their details and click send, and that will be sent directly to your email. And you've also got the option, if you like, to add your address and phone number here. And then we've got these features pages right here. Now, this website, it's discussing the particular features, but in your case, you might want to call this skills here and then list your personal skills. Or if this is a business website, then you might want to list your services here. So you'd call this services and then list your different services down here. Now, another thing about this website is that the design is responsive. So what that means is when you're viewing this website from different screen sizes, such as an iPad or an iPhone, then the size of the website will respond so you can see everything clearly. So this website is going to be optimized for smartphones and tablets as well. And I'll just show you that here. So as you can see here, this is how the website will look when you're viewing this from a smartphone. And then we've got our navigation menu here. So as I mentioned before, we're going to be building this website on WordPress. And WordPress is a really solid and popular platform to build websites with, and roughly around 20% of the websites online are powered by WordPress. And a lot of celebrities and large organizations are now using WordPress, such as Katy Perry, Yahoo and eBay, for example. And one of the great things that I love about WordPress is it's really SEO friendly. So all of the large search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, for example, they all love WordPress sites. And what I'm going to do in this tutorial is when we've completed our website, I'm then going to show you how to optimize your website for the search engines. So you're probably wondering, how much will this cost me? WordPress is free software, but you'll need a couple of things to get your website online. You need a domain name and web hosting. The domain name is your website name, for example, twitter.com. The web hosting is where you'll store your website so people can view it online. The domain name is going to cost about $15 a year, and the web hosting is going to cost about $10 a month. And every website online has these two costs. However, what I'll do in this video is I'll show you a coupon code to use so you can get 25% off your web hosting. And that's it. We're going to create the website ourselves in this tutorial, so you don't need to pay a developer thousands of dollars to build your website. Let's get started. So as I mentioned before, to get our website online, we need to grab a domain name and web hosting. Now I'm over at HostGator here, and we can do both of those right here. And I've been with HostGator for 5 years now, and they've got excellent support. They've got telephone support or they've got a live chat support, and both of these are 24 hours. So it doesn't matter what time of the day it is. If you're having some kind of an issue, or if you've got some kind of technical question, then just go ahead and hit the live chat button here, and you can talk to someone directly online, and they'll help walk you through any issues you're having. And if there's any technical issues or anything like that on the server, they'll just go ahead and fix that right for you. And HostGator's got some of the best support out there, so I definitely recommend those if you're a beginner. So as you can see here, HostGator has got 3 packages here: a hatchling plan, a baby plan, and a business plan. Now you don't need the business plan here, but you can choose between the baby plan and the hatchling plan. Now with the hatchling plan, you can only host one website, so you'll be paying the price here and you'll only be able to host one website. Whereas with the baby plan, as you can see, you can host unlimited websites here. So you'll be paying the one price here and you can host as many websites as you like. So it's a much better offer here to grab the baby plan. And if you click the drop down here, so what you'll see here is you can either pay monthly or yearly. Now if you pay for example 2 years or 3 years in advance, then you get a slightly lower rate. However, I'd recommend that if you're just a beginner and you're just starting out, then definitely go ahead for the monthly one here, so you're not tied into anything long term. So select monthly here and then click on order now. And what I've done is I've left a link below the video to this hosting package, so if you want to navigate straight to this hosting package, then you can use the link below the video. So what you want to do is, you can see here that register a new domain is selected by default. Now if you've already got a domain name, so if you've purchased your domain name already, then you'd select this option here. Now in our case, we're going to register a new domain and get our web hosting, so we'd select this option here. So what you want to do is type the website name that you would like here. So I'm going to try my very first website, and as you can see here, the .com is selected by default. Now what you'll notice here is someone already owns my very first website.com, and so what we'll have to do is we can choose a different domain extension here. As you can see, this .net or .org, .info and .biz are all available. So if you wanted to grab, for example, the .net, then you can select that one here. Or if you really want a .com, then all you need to do is try a different website name here until you find one that's available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just select this one so we can move on. So what you'll see here is we already selected our baby package in a previous step, and also our 1 month billing cycle. Now the next thing to do is to select your username and security pin, and just make a note of these somewhere so you don't forget them. So what you want to do here is you want to enter your payment method, so you can pay by credit card or PayPal. And then on this side you'd enter your billing information here. And what you want to do is just be sure to enter a valid email here, because once you sign up, they're going to send you a welcome email, and in that welcome email it's going to contain all of your important information, and it's going to have your login information in there, so be sure to enter a valid email here. Now another thing you'll notice here is these options here are selected. Now you don't need any of these, and as you can see they're adding extra costs here, and you don't need any of these, so just go ahead and uncheck all of these. Now what you'll notice here is they've got a snappy coupon that's applied by default, and so our total due here is $20.91. However, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a different coupon, and that's going to get you an even bigger discount. So the coupon code you want to enter up here is POWER. And once you've typed that in, go ahead and click validate. Now as you can see, the total due has dropped all the way down to $12.96. So once you've done that, all you need to do is select here to agree to the terms, and then just click create account. So once you click create account, then you'll be taken to another page, and that's going to inform you that you're going to receive a welcome email. And inside that welcome email, you're going to have all of your hosting information and also your login information, so you can log into your HostGator account. So go ahead and click create account. So when you receive your welcome email from HostGator, it's going to contain your information right here, and you're going to have your username and your password, and then this control panel link right here. So what you want to do is you want to click this control panel link right here, and that's going to open that URL up in the web browser. And then you're going to use your username and your password here to log into your HostGator account. So go ahead and click on this link right here and then log in with these details. So after clicking the control panel link in your welcome email, you should be on the login page like this right here. So just go ahead and use your username and password in your welcome email to log in. So go ahead and do that now. So as you can see, we've now logged into our HostGator control panel here, and this is sometimes also called cPanel. So what we want to do here is we want to install WordPress. So if you scroll down here, and then as you can see here, software and services, what you want to do is just go ahead and click on quick install. So now you want to head up to blog software here and then click on WordPress. And then click continue. So what you want to do here is enter an admin email here. So make sure you enter your email address and make sure you enter a valid one, because the email address you enter here will receive the login information for your website. So now for the blog title, just enter your website name here. And then for the admin user, choose a username, and this is a username you're going to use to log into your website. And then you can complete the remaining information here. So then all you need to do now is click install now. So you can see here that WordPress has installed successfully, and so we can go now and log into our website. We've been given a password here, and you can also see our username we just selected, and then this right here is the URL you would visit when you want to log into your website. So it's your website name followed by WP admin here. So what you want to do is record these down somewhere so you don't forget them. So once you've done that, click on this link here to open that in the web browser. So now you can see we're at the login page for our website. Now, if you're not seeing this login page right here and instead you're seeing an error message, then that's perfectly fine, don't panic. All that means is that the domain name that you just registered with HostGator is still propagating, and that can take a few hours. So if you're seeing an error message here, wait a few hours and then click that link again, and you should be seeing the login page right here. And if you like, you can also check the propagation status by clicking live chat in the HostGator support, and you can ask them there and they'll let you know if your domain name has propagated. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here. So we're now logged into our website dashboard here, and this is where we can customize our website. Right, so before we start creating our website pages, I just want to go ahead and remove some plugins that we don't need. So to do that, hover over plugins here and click installed plugins. And then if you scroll down and select Mojo here and Jetpack, and then come up to the top here, click the drop down and select deactivate, and then click apply here. So now that we've deactivated those two plugins, we can go ahead and delete those, and we also want to delete this Hello Dolly plugin here. So select these three here, come back to the top here, click the drop down, and this time select delete and click apply. And then go ahead and click yes, delete these files and data. So there we go, so we've deleted all the plugins here that we don't need. So the first thing we want to do here is install our theme. And we're going to be working with the colorway theme. So this is how you spell the theme here. So what you want to do then is come on over to appearance here and click themes, and then click on add new at the top here, and then in the search box here type colorway, and that's without any spaces. So then hover over the theme here and click install. Then click activate. So we've now installed the colorway theme on our website. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like. So to preview your website, you hover over the website name at the top here, and you can click visit site here, but that will load the website over this page, and I don't want to lose this page. So I like to open the website in another tab. So to do that, simply hover over visit site here and right click and select open link in new tab. That way we can switch back and forth between the dashboard here and the website. So if you visit the tab here with the website, so this is how our site currently looks with the colorway theme installed, and we're going to customize all of this right here. So the first thing we can do is add a website logo here. So let's go ahead and do that now. So head back to the website dashboard here, and then under appearance here you'll see theme options here, so go ahead and click that. So you want to have general settings selected here, and then here you can see the custom logo right here. So all you need to do is click upload and then select your website logo from your computer and make sure it's within their optimal size here. So click upload here, and then you can either drag the file here or you can click select files here. So I'm going to drag and drop it here, so I'll show you that. So here we go, I'm going to grab the website logo here and drop it right here. And once the website logo is uploaded, scroll down to the bottom and click use this image. So there we go, we've uploaded our website logo here. So scroll down and click save options here. So then if you click this tab right here to go to our website and then click refresh, so you can see our website logo right here. And as I mentioned before, this is one of the free logos you can grab on our website at websitewizard.tv. So if you want this logo and a few others, you can grab that on our website. So then if you scroll down, what we can do is we can customize this area right here. So you can choose a graphic, and then you can customize this heading right here and this text right here. Now to help speed up the tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave all of the default images here, but you can go ahead and change the images to suit your website. So head back to the WordPress dashboard here and then click on homepage top feature here. So you can see this home top feature image here. So that's this large image right here. And to customize that, all you do is click upload here and select the image from your computer, which is within their recommended dimensions here. So as I said, I'm going to leave the default image here, so I'm going to leave that blank. And then we've got home top feature heading here, home top feature heading link, and home top feature description. So what that is, if you come back to the website, so this is the heading right here, and as you can see when you hover over it, that's also a link. So you can customize the heading here and also the link on that heading. And then this right here is the description. So we can go ahead and customize that. So I've got this information pre-written in a notepad file, so it can help speed up the tutorial. So I'm going to grab that now. So here's my heading right here. I'll copy that and paste that under home top feature heading. And then I'll leave the link blank for now because we haven't created any pages on this site yet. So once we create the pages, I'll come back here and enter a link. But for now, I'll just leave that as it is. So home top feature description here, I'll grab that from a notepad file. So copy the description here and paste that right here. And then all you need to do is click save options here to save the changes. So head back to our website, click refresh here, and there you go. So here's my custom heading right here, here's my custom description, and the link at the moment is the default one, but we'll change that later on once we've created the website pages. So if you scroll down further, you'll notice this right here. Here's another heading right here, and then we've got these 4 feature areas here. So you can use these 4 featured areas right here to either discuss your services, for example, or perhaps your personal skills. So you want to customize this to suit your own website needs. So let's go ahead and customize this area right here. So head back to the WordPress dashboard and then click on homepage settings here. So this homepage intro right here, if we head back to the website, that's this text right here. So we can go ahead and customize that, and I'll grab this from my notepad file. So I'll grab, anyone can do it from here, and paste that right there. So if you scroll down, then we can choose the first feature image here, first feature heading, first feature link, and first feature content. So if I go back to the website, this is the first feature area here, this is the second feature area, third and fourth. So this right here is the first feature image, this is the first feature heading right here, and then we've got first feature content and first feature link. And so first feature content is this right here, and the first feature link, as you can see, is the link right here. So I'm going to, as I mentioned, I'm going to leave all the images as the default ones, but I'll go ahead and customize the first feature heading right here. So I'll grab that from my notepad file. So I'll copy the heading here, paste that right here, and then I'll grab the first feature content. So I head back to my notepad file and grab the content right here and paste that right here. Now again, as I mentioned before, we haven't created our pages yet, so I don't have anywhere to link this to, but once we create the website pages, I'll go ahead and add some links here. So that's the first feature area done. So then we want to repeat that for the second feature area. So if we head back to the website, this is the second feature area. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm leaving the image as the default one. So I'm going to grab the heading from my notepad file. So here's the heading right here. Copy that and paste that right here. Then I'll grab the content right here, second feature content. So I'll go back to the notepad file and grab the content right here, paste that there, then scroll down now to the third featured area. So that's this area right here. So I'll grab the third feature heading from the notepad file. So I'll copy the heading right here and paste that here, and then I'll grab the third feature content. So I'll copy that right here and then paste that right here. And then finally the fourth featured area, which is this right here. So I'm going to grab the fourth feature heading. So I'll copy that from here, paste that right here, and then finally the fourth feature content here. I'll copy that and then paste that right here. So then if you just scroll down to the bottom and click Save Options here, head back to the website, click Refresh. So as you can see, we've customized the heading here, and then we've customized these four featured areas right here with my own custom headings and descriptions. So if you scroll down a little further, you can see we've got this content right here, here, and here. So the first thing I want to do is just remove this widgets area right here. So to do that, head back to the website, and then underneath appearance, you'll see widgets here. So go ahead and click widgets, and you can see this homepage right featured widget area. So if you click the drop down there, so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and customize that. So a good thing to do would be to have a search box in this location. So if we scroll down here, you can see this search box here. So left click on that and drag it all the way into here and drop it right here. So you can see we've now dropped a search box inside the homepage right feature widget area. So head back to the website and click refresh. So there you go. So you can see we've now got a search box right here. So that will help our users navigate our site. So another thing you can customize is this text right here. So head back to the WordPress dashboard And then underneath appearance, click on theme options here. So then underneath homepage settings here, scroll down. And you can see this homepage testimonial here. So that's this text right here. So we can customize that. So I'm just going to write a random testimonial here, just for example purposes. And I'll say, I am a complete beginner with WordPress, and I managed to get my website online within a few hours with the help of the video training here. So now I'll click Save Options here, head back to the website and click Refresh. So now you can see we've customized the text right here, and we can customize the heading right here. Now on this website, this right here that you can see, this is a sample post that WordPress created when we installed it. And as you can see, there's a heading here from the blog. So in WordPress, you can create pages and posts. And pages are for static pages like an about page or a contact us page, for example. And to have a blog on your website, you would use WordPress posts for that. So as you can see, there's a WordPress post here, and then they've got a heading from the blog. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create pages and posts, and so I'll show you how to have a blog on this website. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's customize the blog heading here. And so head back to the WordPress dashboard, and underneath homepage settings, scroll to the bottom of the page, and you can see this homepage blog heading here. So I'm just going to customize this and call it the blog, and then click Save Options here, and then go back to the website, click Refresh. So there we go, I've customized the blog heading here as the blog. You can call this whatever you want. So when we create our blog posts, they're going to display here, and then you can click the blog title to go to the full version of the blog post. So I'll show you where this sample post is in WordPress. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over posts here and click all posts. So this hello world here is what we're seeing on our website homepage. So if you head back to the homepage of our website, this is that post right there, and if you click on that post, you'll see the full version of that post. So there we go, so that's the full version of the blog post right there, and as you can see, there's a sample comment on this page. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, and let's go ahead and delete this sample post. So select hello world here and click trash. So head back to the website and click refresh, and you're going to see that post disappear there. So there you go, so it's now saying there's nothing found. So let's go ahead and create a post. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, and underneath posts, click on add new here. So give your post a title. So I'm going to say we have launched, and then if you click in the area right here, you can write your post. So I'm just going to write some sample text. Hi everyone, we have finally launched our awesome website, and this is our very first blog post. So once you type your content here, you can use the formatting options here to format the text, and if you click the icon at the end here, you get more formatting options available. So to format the text, for example, let's just say we wanted to make this part here underlined, then you highlight that, click on underline here, and that's how you format the text in a WordPress post. And you can also add an image on this page. So if I hit enter here to go to the next line, I can click add media here, and I can add an image on this page. So what I'll do is I'll use a drag and drop method, and I'll drag this image right here from the computer onto here. So once the image has finished uploading, click on insert into post at the bottom right here. So there we go, we've got our image on this post now, and if you select the image once and click the pencil icon, You can choose whether you want to left align the image, center align the image, right align the image, etc. I'm going to center align the image here. And at the moment, if you click on this link on the post, it will take you to the larger version of the image, and we don't want that to be the case. We don't want any links on this image right here. So I'm going to select link to here and select none. So once you've done that, click on update here. So there we go. So here's our sample posts here. So go ahead and click publish. So now if you head back to the website and go to the home page here, and then if you scroll down, you can see our first blog post right here. And if you click that, you'll be taken to the blog post itself. So here you go. So here's the blog post. So that's how you would have a blog on your website. So if you head back to the WordPress dashboards, when you want to create a new blog post, you simply come over to posts here and click add new, and then create your title and content, and then click publish. Now as you can see, this says update at the moment because we've already published this post. So that's how you would add blog posts. So let's head back to the website here and go back to the home page. So if you scroll down to the bottom of the website, we've now finished setting up the home page of our website. So what we want to do now is start setting up our website pages. And as you can see here, WordPress created a sample page here. So if you click that, you can see we've got a sample page here. So we can go ahead and delete that. And also on the right here, you'll notice here, recent posts, recent comments, archives, and this is a sidebar area right here. So we want to go ahead and remove some of this stuff right here. So before we create our pages, let's go ahead and edit the sidebar here. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over appearance and click widgets. And what you can see right here is this primary widget area. And it's got a search box, a recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta. So if you head back to the website, you can see all of those right here in the sidebar. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, and to remove these, all you do is you left click, drag it to the left and drop. So let's get rid of this one. Left click, drag to the left and drop, click, drag to the left and drop, click, drag to the left and drop. And I'll leave a search box here, and you can also leave this recent post widget right here. So if you wanted all of your recent blog posts showing up in the sidebar, then you can leave this widget right here. Or if you want to remove that, then simply drag that to the left and drop. And if at any stage you wanted to have that back, you would just simply select it from down here, drag it back up here and drop it right there. So let's scroll back to the website now we've made those changes and click refresh. So now you can see in the sidebar we've just got a search box and then our recent post here, which has got the link to our first blog post. So now we've customized the sidebar, we want to delete this sample page right here and then start creating our website pages. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, and this time hover over pages here and click all pages. And then we want to start by deleting this sample page. So select that here and click trash. So now that we've deleted that sample page, we can go ahead and start creating our website pages. So to create a page, head on over to pages here and click add new. And the first page we want to create is our about page. So type about here, or you can type about us if you like. And then for the content here, I've got that pre-written in my notepad file. So I'll go ahead and grab that now. So I'll copy the content for the about page here and paste that right here. And then I'll simply click publish here. So go back to the website, click refresh, and you can see the about us page right here. So if you click that page, you're taken to the about us page. And as you can see in our sidebar, we've got our search box and our blog post here. So let's go back to the WordPress dashboard and let's create a second page. So the second page we want to create is our contact us page. So underneath pages here, click on add new, and I'll give this page a title of contact us. And then I'll grab the content from my notepad file. So I'll copy the contact us content here, paste that right here. So there we go. So I've pasted a telephone number here, a mailing address, and also I've said you can drop us a line below to contact us by email. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a contact form plugin to have a contact form here. Now in your case, you might prefer to just have your email address right here. So if you just wanted to have your email address, you could just type your email address right here. Or if you wanted a contact form, then you can go ahead and use the contact form plugin as we're going to do now. So now that I've created this page, I'm going to click publish here. So if you head back to the website, click refresh, and here's our contact page right here. So click on that and it takes us to our contact us page. So I need to add a contact form right here. So to do that, we need to use a plugin. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins here and click add new. So in the search box on the right here, type contact form 7 and then hit enter on the keyboard. And I'll leave all of the information about these plugins below the video. So you can see right here the contact form 7 plugin right here. And that's a really popular contact form plugin. As you can see, it's got over 21 million downloads. So go ahead and click install now. And then click activate plugin here. So then what you want to do is hover over contact form 7 here and click settings here. And you can see this heading right here, shortcode. So this right here is the shortcode and you want to right click and copy that. So we want to paste this shortcode inside our contact us page. So let's go to our contact us page right now. So hover over pages and click all pages to see our existing pages. So if you hover over contact us here, you can see the edit button right here. So go ahead and click edit. So you just want to paste that shortcode below the existing content right here. And once you've done that, go ahead and click update to update the changes to this page. Then head back to the website, click refresh. And now if you scroll down, you can see we've got a contact form here as well. So when someone visits your site, if they want to contact you, they can come to this contact us page and fill out their details in the contact form and click submit, and that will get sent directly to your email. Now if you remember when we were installing WordPress, after we logged into cPanel in HostGator, we chose a username and an email address there for our website. So anyone contacting you via this contact form, the message here will be sent to that email address that you used when you were installing WordPress. But if you wanted to use a different email address here, so if you wanted this contact form messages going to another email address, then it's quite simple to change. Just head back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over contact here and click contact forms. So then hover over contact form 1 here and click edit. And all you need to do is scroll down. And in this area right here, you just change your email address here. So put another email address right here. And then once you've done that, scroll up and click save here. So now if we head back to our website, we want to create another page here. So head back to the WordPress dashboard and hover over pages and click add new. So if I go back to my notepad file, the next page I want to create here is a features page. And then that page is going to discuss the 4 features of this website. So in your case, you might be creating a website that's listing your personal skills, for example. So in that case, you might want to call this page skills here, and then you'll create additional pages listing your skills. However, if this is a business website, which is advertising your services, then you might want to call this page services here, and then you'll create some separate pages for each service. So in this case, this website in this example is listing features here. So I'm going to create a features page. So I'll just copy the page content here, head back to the WordPress dashboard, and after you click add new page here, I'm going to give this a title of features, and then I'm going to paste that content right here. And then I'll just click publish. And as you can see on this page, we've got feature 1, feature 2, feature 3 and feature 4. So once I've created the features pages, I'll come back here and edit this page. So I've created the features page and I want to create another page now about the first feature here. So if I head back to the notepad file, so the first feature of this website is website success. So that's the title there, and I'll copy the description text here, head back to the website. Underneath pages here, click add new. So I'll give it a title of website success. And then I'll paste in the content for that page here and click publish. So now I want to create my second page. So I'll head back to the notepad file. So the next page I'm going to create here is the video training page. So I'll copy the page content here, go back to the dashboard, and underneath pages, click on add new here. So for the title, I'll call it video training here, and then I'll paste in that page content right here, and then click publish. So I'll head back to my notepad file. So the next page I want to create is the WordPress skills page here. So I'll copy that page content here, head back to the WordPress dashboard, and underneath pages, click on add new here. So the title here is WordPress skills, and I'll paste in that page content right here, and then click publish. So then I'll head back to my notepad file, and the final page I want to create is the forum support page here. So I'll copy the content for that page, head back to the WordPress dashboard, and underneath pages, click add new. So for the title, I'll write forum support here, and then I'll paste in the page content here, and then click publish. So now that we've created our pages, I'll head back to the website and click refresh. So you can now see our features page right here, our website success page, our video training page, WordPress skills page. So we've now created our features page here, and then our 4 additional pages for each feature. So what I really want is when you hover over features here, it will list these 4 features here. So to do that, we need to make this features page a parent of these 4 pages right here. So head back to the WordPress dashboard. So underneath pages here, click on all pages. So if you scroll down, this is the features page right here, and we want to make that the parent of these 4 pages below. So for the first one, hover over forum support and click quick edit. And then on the right, you can select the parent here. So we'll select the features page as the parent and then click update. And then for the next one, video training, hover over that and click quick edit. So select the features page here as the parent and click update. So for the next one, hover over website success and click quick edit, and then select the features page as the parent and click update. And finally, hover over WordPress skills, click quick edit, and again select the features page as the parent and click update. So there we go. So we've made these 4 pages here, children of this parent page right here. Head back to the website, click refresh, and you can see now if you hover over the features here, it will display our 4 features pages right here. So if you visit that features page, so what we want to do now is customize this text here to match the name of our features here. So head back to the WordPress dashboard. And we're already on this page, but if you wasn't on this page, you would just hover over pages and click all pages, and then hover over features and click edit. So now the feature 1 in this case is website success here. So I'll type website success, and for the second feature, this is video training. So I'll type video training here. And the first feature in this case is WordPress skills here. So I'll type WordPress skills. And then the 4th feature in this case is forum support. And I'll type forum support here. So what I want to do now is link these back to the actual features pages. So when someone comes here and clicks on forum support, it will take them to the forum support page. So what I want to do then is grab the URL for the website success page. So go back to the website and visit the website success page. So all you do is you come up to the top here and copy the URL. And then what you do here is highlight website success and click this add link icon right here. Right click and paste the URL and click add link. So for the next one, video training here, head back to the website, visit the video training page and copy the URL from the top here, highlight video training, click on add link here, paste the URL there and click add link. So the next one is WordPress skills. Head back to the website and visit the WordPress skills page, then copy the URL from the top here, head back to the WordPress dashboard, highlight WordPress skills, click the link icon here, paste in the URL and click add link. So finally, forum support, head back to the website and visit the forum support page, copy the URL right here, head back to the WordPress dashboard, highlight forum support here and click the link icon, paste the URL here and click add link. So now we've made the changes here, go ahead and click update here to update the changes to this page. So if you head back to the website and click refresh, and if you go to the features page right here, now you can see we've got our links on these 4 features right here. So if I click the video training link here, it takes me to the video training page. So as you can see on this features page, you'd want to write a short description about each feature, then give the user the opportunity to click that link and find out more about that feature. So in your case, you might have called this page right here skills, and then you'd write a brief description about each of your skills here, and then link to your skill pages where they can find out more detailed information about each of your skills. Or if this was a business website, you can call this services and then write a summary of your services here and then link to each service right here. So now that we're on our home page and we've created our pages, we can now create the links on the home page. So this right here is a link, and if we scroll down, these 4 featured areas are also links. So we can go ahead and put the relevant links there. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over appearance and then click theme options. So then if you click on home top feature here and then scroll down, you can see this homepage feature heading link. So the homepage feature heading here is easy to follow WordPress and website tutorials. So if I head back to my website, I'll grab the URL of, say, the website success page, for example. So I'll right click on that and click copy link address. So if I come back here to the WordPress dashboard, I can paste that URL right here underneath home top feature heading link. So then if I click save changes here or save options, head back to the website and click refresh. So now if anyone clicks this heading right here, it will take them to the website success page. So if you scroll down further, I can now create relevant links for each of these featured areas here. So go back to the WordPress dashboard and then click on homepage settings here and then scroll down and you can see first featured link here and then second featured link and then there's third and fourth as well. So head up to first featured link here. So this is easy to follow video tutorials. So I'll take a look at my site to see what page to link that to. So I'll head back to the site, scroll up. If I hover over here, there's a video training page. So I'll grab the URL for that page and paste that right here underneath first featured link here. So now if I scroll down for the second featured link right here, this is quickly become a WordPress Pro. So let me take a look at my website pages and link that back to a relevant page on the site. So I'll go to my website here and I'll link that to website success here. So I'll copy the link address and paste that right here. I'll scroll down to the third feature link and that's Q&A forum support here. So I'll link that to the forum support page. So head back to the website, I'll hover over forum support here and copy the link address and paste that link right here. And then finally the fourth feature link here. This is search engine optimization. So if I go back to my website, I'll link this to the website success page just as an example. So I'll paste that link there, scroll down to the bottom and click save options. So now if you head back to the website, click refresh and scroll down, these 4 featured areas will now link back to the relevant pages on our website. So another thing you might want to do is link to your social accounts on this website. So if you want to link to your Twitter page, for example, then you can do that as well. So head back to the WordPress dashboard and click on footer settings here. And as you can see, we've got the opportunity to enter some of our social account URLs here. So if I wanted to enter my Twitter URL, then all I would do is type my Twitter URL here. So http www.twitter.com/ and whatever my URL is. So just scroll down, click save options here, head back to the website, click refresh. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can now see my Twitter icon right here. So you can go ahead and add your social accounts right there too. So I just want to briefly go over the permalinks. So if you head back to the WordPress dashboard, scroll down, and underneath settings, if you just click on permalinks here, the one you want to select here is this post name one right here. So select post name and then scroll down and click save changes. And this is the best option to select for search engine optimization. So what that does is it makes your post or page name match the URL of the page. So if you created a post called WordPress skills, then the URL for that page would be your website name followed by WordPress skills. And if you created a post called forum support here, then the URL for that would be your website name followed by forum support. So that helps to make your URL structure on your website search engine friendly. So another thing you want to do here is customize your website name and description. So if you look at the tab up here at the top and hover over that, you can see it's got my website name here, website wizard, and then it's got just another WordPress site, and that's the website description. So I need to customize that. So head back to the WordPress dashboard, and underneath settings, click on general here. So this tagline right here is the website description. So my website title is already correct here. So I want to either write a tagline here for my website or just leave it blank. And I, most of the time, just leave this area blank. But if you like, you can write a short and very brief description about your website here. So in this case, I'm going to leave that blank. Scroll down and click Save Changes. So if you head back to the website, click Refresh. If you hover over the tab here, you can see that it now just displays the website name. So we've now finished creating our website. And before we go ahead and optimize it for the search engines, I want to briefly mention the premium version of the colorway theme we've been using. So this right here that we've been using on this website is the free version of the colorway theme. However, there is a premium version that you can grab, and the premium version just gives you a few more options. So for those of you that want a few more options, you can check out the premium version of the colorway theme, and I'll leave the link to that below the video. So I'll just show you what that looks like here, and if you scroll down, you can see that with the premium version of the colorway theme, you get the choice of multiple sliders on the home page. So you get a few more options with the premium version. Now for most of you, the free version is going to be fine. However, I'll just leave the link below the video for those of you that may want to check out the premium version. So now that we've created our website, what we want to do now is optimize it for the search engines. So to do this, we're going to use a number of plugins, and I'll leave a link to the plugins below the video. So head back to the WordPress dashboard here and hover over plugins and click add new. So the first plugin we want to search for here is the SEO friendly images plugin. So in the search box, type SEO friendly images here and then hit enter on the keyboard. So you can see the SEO friendly images plugin right here. And this is a really popular plugin. As you can see, it's got over 1 million downloads here. So go ahead and click install now and then click activate plugin. So you don't need to do anything further with this plugin. Once it's installed, it will automatically optimize the images on your website for search engines. So as you can see here, it tells you what it's doing here, and what it does is it helps your images show up in image search results in the search engines. So for our WordPress skills page, for example, if we had an image on that page, then it would optimize that image with the page title, which may also be our target keywords. So if someone's going into Google Images and they're searching WordPress skills, it would help our image show up there, and that can help bring our website more search engine traffic. And the second plugin we want to install is the all-in-one SEO pack plugin. So head on over to plugins here and click add new, and in the search box type all-in-one SEO pack and then hit enter on the keyboard. So here's the all-in-one SEO pack plugin. So as you can see, it's had over 20 million downloads. So go ahead and click install now and then click activate plugin here. So what we want to do now is head on over to one of our website pages, and I'll show you how to use this plugin. So head over to pages here and click all pages, and if you scroll down here and let's hover over video training here and click edit. So as you can see, here's where we entered our page title, and then down here we entered our page content. And then if you scroll down further now, what you'll see is some more options that are now available. So you can see up the top here, it says preview snippet, and it shows us a preview snippet of how this web page may display in the search engines. So what we can do here is we can customize how this page will be displayed in the search engines. And the reason you want to do that is that so you can optimize it for your target keywords. So in this example, for this page, the target keyword may, for example, be video training. So I'll type that down here under keywords. So what you want to do, you want to incorporate this target keyword in your title and description. So as an example, I might want to give this a custom title of video training for newbies. And then as a description, I might say something like, get the best video training over on our website and become a WordPress pro in no time. So now that you've done that, you can see that my target keyword here is video training, and I've got that in my description and my title here. So once you've done that, scroll up to the top and click update to update the changes to this page. So you want to repeat this process for all of the web pages on your website that you want optimized for the search engines. So the next plugin we want to install is the Google XML Sitemaps plugin. So hover over plugins here and click add new, and then in the search box type Google XML Sitemaps and then hit enter on the keyboard. So as you can see, here's the Google XML Sitemaps plugin, and it's had over 15 million downloads, so it's a really popular plugin. So go ahead and click install now and then click activate plugin. So the great thing about this plugin right here is you don't have to do anything else, and this plugin is structuring your website for the search engines. So when you have new content published on your website, it will help get those pages indexed fast within search engines, and that will obviously help bring you search engine traffic. So another plugin that's really helpful for both SEO purposes and user experience on your website is the WP Super Cache plugin. Now this plugin is actually already installed on our website, so if you come to plugins here and click install plugins, and if you scroll down you can see this right here, WP Super Cache. So what that does is this plugin helps speed up your website by caching the page content so they load faster. So it basically improves the speed of your website, and that's great for SEO and user experience. Now the last thing we want to do here is update our ping list. So hover over settings here and click writing, and then if you scroll to the bottom here, what you'll see is this heading right here, update services, and then this URL right here. So this URL right here is the ping list, and what this does is when you publish new content on your website, so say for example you create a new blog post, then it will notify this ping URL here that your website's got new content, and that will help that content get indexed fast by the search engines. And that ultimately again brings you more search engine traffic. So what we can do here to help improve our rate of indexation of our new content is we can enter some more ping URLs here. So I've left a link below the video linking to a WordPress ping list that you can use here. But to find it, you can simply go to Google and search WordPress ping list 2014 or 2015, whatever year it is, and you can grab the ping list from there. So I'll show you that right now. So here's a ping list, so all you need to do is copy the URLs right here and then head back to the WordPress dashboard, and then you want to paste these URLs underneath the existing one, so don't delete this one here, paste these underneath and then click Save Changes. So I've now completed a tutorial showing you how to make a free website using WordPress. And what I'll do is I'll leave all the relevant links below the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video, and if you like the video then go ahead and click the like button.